So we're in a traffic jam right now. We had a really interesting experience just a few minutes ago. We were basically driving up the right side of this highway, and it was just massive traffic jam. George saw an opening, some motorcycles going up there, so I was like, yeah, let's give it a shot. So we go up there, we get partway up, this cop kind of flags us down, looks a little bit pissed off, and kind of stops up and says, you know, hey, move the thing. You know, he's hitting the side of the rickshaw like this with a stick, and there's two people shouting at us with conflicting directions and where to go, and there's oncoming traffic. Basically, they're trying to move traffic from the opposite direction down the line, and we totally like went up in front of them and just blocked everything. So
meanwhile, like 15 trucks come the opposite direction.
Yeah, so these huge
blocking everything.
Everything was blocked, so we had to like sort of squeeze our way into line, and the cops were, you know, kind of yelling at us the whole time, and then so finally one of the cops gets in. You know, he sits down over here next to us and he's talking to us, and it's very hard to understand him, but he's sort of just asking us, you know, where we're going, what we've seen so far, you know, good places for tea around here. And we're kind of jammed in here with everyone. I guess up the ways a bit there's a market, a vegetable market that's very popular, and I think people are either leaving or coming or both or something, but it's just madhouse right now.
Apparently it's 2 kilometers from here, so we'll be here for about 5 hours.
So anyway, so we're actually, everyone here is just staring at us, like point blank. Like everyone is like almost like jamming their heads out of the windows to like look back at us or look forward, and everywhere we look there's just stares. And there's actually a couple people we've talked to that have sort of, you know, said, hey, hi there, how you doing, and chat a little bit. So it's just amazing how friendly everyone is. Even a cop, after he talked to us for a little while and found out we were doing the rickshaw run, was very friendly and telling us all kinds of advice and stuff. But just, it's been amazing here so far.
It's the second time today the rickshaw run has saved our ass from a cop.
Yeah, we had another cop run in earlier today.